Hi, welcome to Kiki's Kitchen by yours truly, Keisha Dreams. And today we're gonna make my soul food favorite, meatloaf with homemade mashed potatoes and gravy with a side of corn. So these are all of our ingredients and let's get started. First, you're gonna boil your potatoes until you can stick a fork through them, roughly 5 to 10 minutes. Then you're gonna season your ground beef, basic salt, pepper, and 3 tablespoons of each, rosemary, thyme, and chives. Next, you're gonna add a cup of each yellow onion and green bell pepper. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce for flavor. And last, you're gonna add 2 eggs. You can mix it with a spoon, but I like to mix it with my hands to make sure that every ingredient is mixed through the meat thoroughly. Now this is completely optional, but you can always line your pan with bacon. And then put some more bacon on top. And then you're gonna stick it in the oven for roughly about 20 to 30 minutes or until there's no pink shown inside. And just add a little bit more bacon because bacon just makes everything so much better. Okay. So once your potatoes are all soft, you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. And at this stage, you can add about a dash of salt and a dash of pepper for flavor. And then you're gonna pour about 1 to 2 cups of milk. Now, some people like to add cheese, but for this recipe, I just kept it simple. But at this stage, you would go ahead and add your cheese, and then you're gonna mush it all together and just mix it all together until desired texture. I personally like mine a little bit lumpy. Some people like their mashed potatoes a little bit smooth. It's kind of really up to you. But it should look something like that. Okay. So now we're gonna do the mushroom gravy. So this is my basic recipe for making any gravy from scratch. It would be minus the mushrooms, of course, but I love mushrooms. Yes. So you're gonna get maybe a cup of water, and then you're gonna put whatever ingredients you want in there, bacon, a little bacon fat, salt and pepper, and then you're gonna slowly add flour and do what I'm doing there. Kind of really mix in the flour so it's not lumpy, and get the gravy to your desired thickness. And thank you everybody for watching my tutorial on how to make meatloaf, homemade mashed potatoes, and gravy. Just looks so good. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.